Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super quick recipe that we can make in air fryer, and this is garlic bread. Yes, before that let's see the review. How is the garlic bread?
It tastes really good. It's the best garlic bread in the whole world.
So let's get started with the recipe. We take 1 by 3 cup lukewarm water. Then we add 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar and mix it well. So the water is lukewarm here. Now add 1 cup all-purpose flour, next we add salt here, 1 by 4th of salt, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon oil, and now we're going to knead it for 5 minutes. So all the ingredients will be mentioned in the description below, so you can take it down later. Just follow the process how we are going to make it. Knead it well. We're going to knead it for 5 minutes. You can use your hands to give it a good knead. Add little more oil. Again knead it. And let it rest for an hour. So here I put the paper towel and the lid on top of it and let it rest for an hour. So you can see it has fluff up. Add little more flour and again knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now using a rolling pin, we can make a round shape. So here I've taken 1 by 4th of butter, melted butter, then garlic. This is 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves or parsley you can add here. You can chop it very finely, but here I've just chopped it roughly like that, because after all, once we put it in the air fryer, it's going to be cooked nicely, so it's not going to be so much big leaves in it. But you can chop the coriander if you want. Spread it evenly. So we have mixed melted butter, garlic, 3 garlic cloves I've taken and chopped it. Also coriander leaves. If you don't like coriander in your garlic bread, you can leave this step. And here I'm adding oregano. Put generously, it gives a very good flavor to this recipe. Next add chili flakes. It's not going to be very spicy, just add generously again, yeah. Chili flakes. So here I'm adding cheddar cheese. You can take cheese of your own, like your choice. So I have this at home right now, so I added this. This gives a very good rich flavor to the garlic bread. So you can try this. So you can add cheese and close it. Seal it from both ends. Now again add the butter and coriander that we made. Apply on this on the both side of this garlic bread. So here in the air fryer, I never put foil. I just grease or brush oil on the tray. Similarly, you can do the same way. Doing this, we don't have to flip the bread in between. So here I'm giving it a cut. So once cooked, it will be easy to take it out. So apply butter on both the sides of this dough. Again add chili flakes and oregano. If you want, you can add salt here also. I'm adding oregano here. So applying on the other side of the dough, the butter and the coriander, garlic, crushed garlic that we made. Now put it on the air fried basket. There's no foil or no parchment paper, nothing in there. Doing this, it helps us to cook evenly and we don't have to open in between or flip it. Just set it for 350 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So you can open after 10 minutes and see if it's cooked and lightly browned on top. If it's not, you can let it sit for another 2 minutes. So 10 to 12 minutes is the max time we wait for this garlic bread to get ready. So you can see it's done. It tastes very good, very delish, best than the market ever. My kids really loved it. That's why they came and gave a good review. So that's why I'm so happy to share with you how delicious this garlic bread turned out. So do make this recipe. Just follow the instructions. The ingredients is mentioned in the description below and it's very easy to make it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. So whenever there is a new video from me, you will get the notification first. Look how soft and fluffy the garlic bread is. It's very nice. Do let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next recipe in air fryer. Any ingredients, any special choice you have. I would like to make it for you and share the recipe. So see you soon with next video again. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay connected.
Try this recipe and please subscribe to Remy's World for more air fryer recipes. And hit the bell button and subscribe.